College pun view section 4 kane kalong ka jimpetip namta kitu ki bakwa banai pulih nursing mo jong ka GNM kabari license lane jong ka ANM kabari tang arts nem tekni la apply advertisement napo ka department health department jong ka government jong ka Meghalaya tekni apply ka advertisement ba pin apply ka ko online application mo te yakane pin should apply with online kin submit with merit list don kam exam don kam ere tekin should court counseling be japi la court counseling lada pelami list pelayo wan lek pulih hakini jika pulih ba ka government of Meghalaya ka ai la mendeh civil hospital ane la mendeh Ganesh Das ne kiwi gueru ki jika pulih te sampai hadu bekut gitu ki bakwa ban lek pulih nursing nang ba kene mo te baro ki stream ki la ban apply tang ba ki la ban kam prefer be ya ki science student tengne pe untai kane te online application in prescribed formats for 3 years course in GNM general nursing midwifery GNM training session 2024-2025 kandai lies nemo GNM ANM kandai arts nem through online submission from 6 June nadu router June hadu arfnyu June last date kandai arfnyu June digane de online ka official website kandai machealth.gov.in ngan sabuk link description kila ban pendap online ban apply nam takane kindly visit www.machealth.gov.in dekai gai balong eligible nam takane kan mau bat kan the bat senrang kilong ban apply kane tamagi di mendebe ki nong Meghalaya ma inhabitant or permanent resident of the state of Meghalaya tenandu kan osnem asya nadu khat news nem sajrong hadu life science nem operation limit kadai life science nem tang ba yagi bal adap yaka ANM omdon age limit shu tela dak pa apply kila banyo te ka eligibility kalong pass class 12 40% sejrong aggregate dari 40% sejrong kila accept hi tang ba kisim merit basis tang ba ki bakham he mak kin yo ba ki bakham he mak barit mak te kala janjar hi la dabon nalai te tang ban po ya ka counseling rule la janjar markin sim chang tool ne 3 times ya number of seat te tang ki bakham he mak hi kham yo 10 plus 2 level examination with 40% aggregate mark from recognized university board kumta terter te ki padai NIOS ru kila ban apply nam takane mo ba pass lang ba ka NIOS kila ban apply nam takane recognized by central government however science is preferable ikam prefer by iki science student tama ki sapenmi kalis pada ki arts katangut science katangut na ka vocational stream katangut sapenmi pada kita bro tela dap ikam he ka percentage pila don chance banyo register nurse midwifery ANM with 10 plus 2 educational qualification gitu ba ada ka ANM kuma omta ba omdon age limit shu namta ki bla ada ANM teki ba pas ba CBSE ru gila ban apply ba pas in vocational stream healthcare science ne ru gila ban apply namta kane la da ki kwa disability candidate namta ki disability candidate ru ma 3% disability reservation to be considered can consider ya giba with a disability of locomotor tangki bari locomotor ma to the tune of 40% to 50% lower extremity after thoroughly examined and certified by medical and health officer tangi bari locomotor te kiyo kilawan yo kare 3% percentage te kin sepen milis sitaru la kajong te phap apply online ben apo make recruitment in te la adap apply online te kan interview pade kan dei kade ka screening committee long ka interview kum tai ba kan de ka screening committee phap ra i documents jong pi kin permit shwa ka list ma ten dap la mi ha ka list then pisalet nam ta kin ki screening gan jen kali pi pin i ki documents e baro la pi biang then ni sapen mi bede saka final list taken penlong pada ha arfwe but arf July 21st and 22nd July 2024 from 8 am to 5 pm the July kin screening in a school of nursing civil hospital Shillong but civil hospital Tura kibarina Shillong in the civil hospital Shillong birin Tura the civil hospital Tura the list of candidates can abi apo official website machealth.gov.in the second mau in sapen tip in sapen mi list kumta tarter te kan mau kin mir list baik te laki baduna plat mdon chance ba saupo sausan sanpo san lai mdon chance ma kachong pi ma pi la ban apply kam don jingkhang re kata mar bagi sya baik saupo sejrong 10% sejrong taken speak list pada aden ta habade jong ka NM ro kaju hi kane ka deba arsnem te hakane ro kaju hi ka kriteria ka ke baro kriki ju hi kum ka GNM sulong ba ka NM ka deno tang arsnem te kitu gi ba kwa ban pulih long ba kine te pila ban apply online apo machealth.gov.in te sa pulih ba ka advertisement ru ang tu pila ban page la page dan sa pandap hai detail baro tang kan hi jemptip rejibon